Hello everyone, welcome back to our Solidworks course. In this video, we would be starting with a new module, and the name of this module is Sweep and Loft. These are two features that we would be using in Solidworks to create our 3D geometries. Let's first understand what these two features are. Let's first talk about Sweep. If we talk about the Sweep feature, in order to create the Sweep feature, we need two components, that is, a profile, and the second one is the path. In this, what we simply do is that we simply sweep. Let's say this is our profile over here, this is our profile, and this is our path. What we do in this is that we simply sweep this profile over our path until the end. For example, let's say if you want to create a circular rod over here like this with a bend of XYZ radius. Let's say the radius is XYZ for this bent rod. What we will do is that we will first simply create a circular profile at this plane at the end of this sketch over here, and then we will exit the sketch. Next, on the new reference plane, or rather a new plane, we will create this sketch that would be our path. Let me rename them. This is my profile and this is my path. When we apply the sketch command and specify this as my profile and this as my sweep path, what it will do here is that it will simply sweep this circular path, sweep this circular profile along this circular path, or rather this curved path, and generate a pipe like this. This is how the sweep command works. We will learn about this in detail in our exercise video, but this is what you need to know first. What are the requirements for our sweep command? I will first clear all of this, and then we will learn about the loft command now. The loft command in some ways is similar to the sweep command, but in the loft command what we do is that we specify two profiles like this. Let's say this is your first profile and this is your second profile over here. And when we apply the loft command, we have to specify our profiles, profile 1, and this would be my profile 2. Once I specify these two as my profiles, what it will do here is that it will try to connect points on these profiles. Let's say there is one point over here and one point over here. It will connect these 2 points and create a profile, or rather a 3D model along this path. It will try to create a 3D model with whose one end would be having this profile and other end would be having this profile. This is how you can create lofts. In lofts, you can also specify your guide curves. The best example to show you how guide curves are used in the loft profiles, I will show you it with the example of a bottle. Let's say first I create a center line over here like this, and I specify the shape of the bottle. Let's say something like this. This is your bottle over here. A similar shape would be created on the opposite end. This is a bottle over here. This would be my guide curve 1. And this would be my guide curve 2. And I will specify several profiles in between. The first one would be here. This would be my first profile. The second profile would be here like this. And the third profile would be here at this end. And my fourth profile would be somewhere over here. So with the help of all these profiles, it will try to create a body starting with this profile as its base. And it will follow these curves and then take that profile along to this point over here. This is how you will create a bottle by using the loft command. By using the loft command, what you can do is that you can create curved geometries or other geometries having various sections. You can also create a geometry having a circular profile at one end and let's say a rectangular profile at the other end like this. What it will do, it will again try to interconnect these points over here like this and then create a shape something like this. So the profile that you provide to the loft command, it will create or rather interpolate the surface or material in between it and then create a solid model accordingly. In order to understand both loft and sweep commands, we will be solving or creating some 3D models in Solidworks. You will understand them better when we do that. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.